Let's show you how to set up a Gmail account in d7x with the latest version using the newest authentication method for Google, the OAuth 2. Start by main and go to config. Then we'll go to server's email. And right here you may already have an SMTP server set up for your Gmail. That's okay. You can leave the settings there. You don't have to delete them. If you enable the new use Gmail OAuth 2 option here, it's going to override all of the other settings. So I'm just going to copy my user account, toggle this to enable, and the thing that you have to do to make this work is click the reauthorize button here. You'll get a pop-up about your firewall, allow access, and then we'll be able to sign in. Now we'll have two-factor authentication. That's not going to be a problem for us. Be sure to allow. Okay. And you'll notice you have success. Access refresh token saved for this email address. You shouldn't have to reauthorize this account again unless you change the settings to a different email account. Now you can click send test email and you'll see that the test email was sent. So now, once you save, you'll be able to use this when you say email reports. You can of course attach all files to send email. And now you'll see we have our emails for the test. We have our security alert for the new login. You have your test email and then the email I just sent with the information report. Hope that's been of some help. Thanks for watching.